Hi guys, we're going to talk very briefly about constructing midpoints of segments. And we're going to do this using those same Euclidean tools that we talked about in our last video on constructing congruent segments. So let's start by looking at a couple of, looking at our Euclidean tools. Again, we're going to use a straight edge. Again, it's not a ruler, it just is an item that has a straight, can make a straight line, and a compass. Okay. And today we're going to talk about constructing the midpoints of a segment. So what is the exact middle of a segment without being able to measure it? So let's begin by creating a segment. And I'm going to name this segment AB. And again, a segment is any part of a line that has two endpoints, endpoint A, endpoint B. Okay, so now I'm going to take my compass and I am going to put my point of the compass on one of my endpoints. In this case, it's going to be endpoint B. And I'm going to draw an arc that's going to go through AB and cross over what I think is the middle line. So that's about the middle. It's a big half semicircle that I'm making. And I'm going to do the same thing at point A without adjusting the compass. Notice the compass did not get adjusted at any point. Now I take my straight edge, and you'll notice that my arcs meet at two different points. So using my straight edge, I can either choose to connect these points to make a bisector, which will cut it into two equal parts. But since I'm just looking for a midpoint, I just need a point where, in line with these, in line with my connecting points on my arcs, I just need the one point where it touches my line segment AB. And I'm going to call this point M for midpoint because it has evenly divided segment AB. So that tells me that segment AM is going to be congruent to segment MB.